Not every salesperson is the most exuberant, energized, extroverted person you've ever met. Some of us...
I think, what a frisbee.
Don't worry, introverts. I've got you covered. Here are my sales strategies for introverts. Hey, let's do an informal poll. In the comments below, I want to know how you see yourself as an extrovert or an introvert. Would you rather be at the beach with friends or in your backyard? Would you rather attend a large potluck or a small picnic? A cocktail party? Or would you rather be on your own sofa? Come on, fellow introverts. I know it's hard for you to speak up. Now listen, let's be clear. Being an introvert has nothing to do with whether you're outgoing. Set that mental picture aside of a mousy, weak kind of a salesperson.
Hello. Would you like to look like this?
I'll tell you right now, I am an introvert and I consider myself to be neither mousy nor weak. Being an extrovert or an introvert has to do with where you get and where you replenish your energy. Extroverts get their energy replenished by being around people and absorbing that collective energy. Introverts tend to replenish their energy internally. Now, there's actually a huge advantage to being an introvert in sales. Introverts tend to be more curious. They tend to make better listeners, and we know that these are skills that are critical to success in sales. Where the extrovert wants to be the life of the party and to entertain all the time.
I'm like an elephant, okay? If I walk into a room, it's like, okay, he's in there.
The introvert is content to learn from the people around them.
That's why it's important to share.
I am learning so much from you.
Introverts like to be in smaller gatherings or even one-on-one. They like to focus on other people. So let me share with you 3 sales strategies if you're an introvert and you want to be great at sales. Strategy number 1, flex your curiosity muscle. See, introverts tend to be more curious. There's already an advantage that you have. Use it. The best salespeople are curious people, and curiosity is a muscle that can be grown. So look to see how you can flex that muscle throughout the conversation. And good news on this, by the way, people enjoy talking about themselves. Everyone loves to tell their own story. Just be the person who wants to hear it. And speaking of stories, that's my second tip. Tell stories. Introverts love to tell stories because it takes the focus off of them and puts it on the main point they're trying to communicate. The stories are often of previous customers who have faced similar situations and found solutions that worked well. Telling stories is a way of getting the point across by focusing on something or someone else. And then finally, my third tip, assume the sale. Now, introverts, you might struggle sometimes with the idea of asking for the sale. But if you assume the sale in your own mind, you'll change your mental language, even early in the process, to point that conversation in the right direction. In essence, you begin with the end in mind. You assume that they're going to buy. Now, this is good advice for anyone, but it's particularly helpful for introverts. Now, for more on the topic, consider reading my friend Matthew Pollard's excellent book, The Introvert's Edge. All right, thanks for watching today's 5-minute sales training. If you liked the video, please let us know by hitting that like button. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, you can do that too, so you never miss an episode. And finally, don't forget to check out Sales 365 at sales365.io or Sales 365 as an app for your phone at your app store. We're turning top 10%ers into top 1%ers, and we want you to come along. Until next time, my friends, learn more, turn more.